Okay, Peugeot 208, we changed that radio to a new one with mirroring for Satnav. This is standard DAB radio. You see, music, nothing in there. Let's do it. We need to remove the plastic first, but really be careful on that screen. It's really easy to crack them, so not too deep on the right side. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Unplug the connection. And let's take it out the screen now. Two screws on the top. Just a little bit hooks in there, like plastic hooks. Plug in, take it out. Here you go. And unplug the connector as well from the back, yeah? Sometimes not going out easier. Here we go. Got it. Screen out. Let's take it out the frame. There's the 4 bolts, T-bolts. Here we go. What we need to do? Just replacement that panel, that box. Yeah. Sliding over. The cable maker tension. Yeah. Let's unplug the sometimes it's really tight to take it out. Yeah. Got a full connector. Yeah, that one. Come on. Let's go. Here we go. And that panel was box is SMEG CEM00. So that one is just DIB radio with USB, nothing else. So we need to replace that one for new one with mirroring. Okay, we got all cables in the new panels. Compare compatibility before you buying. Should be look same. Yeah. That's the old one. That's the new one. Is a SMEG Plus 42 SEM00. That's with and links is for Satnav, yeah. As well the DAB radio. So same, but add the CarPlay. Okay, let's see that. There is antenna cables. There was height. That 3 cables staying out. It's for panel. It's sliding in. Here we go. Two bolts back. Pulling back the frames, screen frames. Four bolts back there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually screws. Yeah, that screw is different. Again, let's swap. That's for the front one. Hold on, don't worry. Great. Let's fit the screen. Yeah, I have an occasion to change my screen as well, because there was a tiny crack there. Someone cracking. There's nothing visible, just a little bit crack on the glass. All touchscreen working. But anyway, I've got a new one. Ish new one. So let's fit the new one. Two clicks, the clips. That's cable for panel joystick. Let's screw in top of the screws. And panel. Sliding from the top, not push. Click in the later, but let's testing first. All must be work. So yeah, let's test it. Ignition on. That beep. For that beep, we need a sign for the radio, the car VIN number. That's it. Looks working. So radio beeping. We're writing new VIN on the radio for start beeping. And after a few seconds, radio was reset and beep is gone. Success! And now we got it done. It's the icon for connected mirroring and that's. Yeah, job done. Thank you very much.